Hello folks, here we have a 1939 Remington Noiseless portable typewriter, and it's in stunning high gloss red powder coat finish. The finish turned out beautiful. This was done by a professional shop here in Texas. It's a two-tone typewriter because it has the original crinkle finish with the Remington logo. There's a tiny little fleck here that might just touch up a little bit of black paint. So the paper rest has the original crinkle finish, and the back plate has the original crinkle finish. I mean, here's the serial number right here. So I think it looks, I mean, what can I say? Look at it. High gloss, red, beautiful powder coats, finish. Doesn't get any better than that. The underneath is nice and clean. This typewriter has been cleaned, and it has new rubber feet. They grip, what do people say? They grip like bulldogs. The inside is nice and detail cleaned as well. It has a brand new cotton ribbon, and it has those rings that the ribbon sits on that slide into this area here. These aren't available anymore, these rings, so don't throw those away if you should purchase this typewriter. Everything works. The bell works, the margin release works, the tabs work, backspace works, everything works fine. Let's see, we're going to put a piece of paper in here. So here it is, Remington Noiseless Portable Deluxe, serial number ND169664, made in 1939, fully functional. Let's straighten up the papier first, and we'll do a little type test for you. All right, well, let's do the good old saying. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. Let's do a type alignment. Capital H, lowercase h, capital H, lowercase h. There's the type alignment, looks great. Let's do more characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then there's the digits. And let's type a few other characters. So the keys don't stick, they type really well. And here's how she types. And I mean, looking at this machine, other than a little couple nicks on top of the paper tray, it's a beautiful typewriter. Being that it's May, this might make a wonderful Mother's Day gift. Later.